How do you know if a product is going to sell online? Hi. Hi guys, welcome to Online Business Startup Hacks. My name is Adewale Adejumo. I am an online entrepreneur and a digital growth consultant. So today I'll be answering the question, how do you know if a product is going to sell online? And it's very easy. The best way to know if something will sell online is by going and checking if it's already selling online. You won't know without the right type of information to tell you or inform you if this article will sell online. How you know if a product will sell online is by going to online platforms that are already quite established in South Africa. And two examples that I can give to you today is Takealot or Bidorbuy. But for this episode, I'm going to use Bidorbuy as an example. So Bidorbuy is one of the easiest places for you to find products that are already selling from people from all over South Africa and even people from overseas that are selling to South African customers. So one way to check products that are selling well online on Bidorbuy is, one, you can go onto Google, type in Bidorbuy, and then type in what's hot next to it and do a Google search. The pages on Bidorbuy that will come up is a page that is called a what's hot page. And on this page, you can see products that are currently hot selling on Bidorbuy, products that are currently trending on Bidorbuy. And another way to do this as well is to go directly onto the Bidorbuy website and click on popular searches. What Bidorbuy does is that it shows you trending items that customers are searching for, things people want to buy. So that's one very easy way for you to tell which products will sell online in South Africa, by simply going onto websites that are already selling products and searching for products that are already selling very well on those websites. Thank you for watching today on this episode on products that will sell online in South Africa. If you have other ideas on how to find winning products that sell online in South Africa, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. You will be helping us and you'll be helping quite a lot of people out there that are looking for ways to find products that sell well online. Thank you.